Hey there, all you energetic English learners. Welcome to one of the most important lessons on our channel. Today, we're going to do something you've probably never experienced in any class or course before. We're going to learn how to build the fastest, most realistic sentences and conversations in English in no time. This video has something special that others don't, tips and techniques that come from real-life experience. These are the exact strategies that, once you know them, will make English conversations as easy as breathing. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Because we're about to show you a path that you haven't seen in any book or app before. Ready? Let's dive in. Why can't you build sentences? Here's the thing, the problem isn't that you don't know enough words. Many people know tons of vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking, they freeze. Why? Because their brain has memorized the words, but it hasn't practiced connecting them together to form sentences. Today, we're going to learn how to put simple words together and build real, useful sentences. Sentences that you'll need in everyday conversations. The secret: quick sentence building. Here's a huge secret. If you understand this secret, English conversation will be easier than saying hello in your native language. What's the secret? Don't think, just build. Instead of searching your brain for grammar rules, focus on ready-made patterns. What does this mean? It means you don't have to create a sentence from scratch. Use these ready-to-go sentence structures as templates. I need some information. I need a quick solution. I need help. What's the template? I need plus something. You just take this template and, like building blocks, add whatever you need. The step-by-step technique. Let's practice a real conversation. Right now, close your eyes and imagine you're at an airport. Someone approaches and asks, "Where did you grow up?" What do you say? You don't need to think. Just pull out your template. I grew up in London. I grew up in Manchester. What's the template? I grew up in plus city. Now, we move to the next step. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. What's the template? I'm a plus job. Building sentences isn't hard. All you have to do is recognize simple templates and play with them, just like a Lego set. The don't think, copy technique. Want another secret? People who speak English quickly don't build sentences from scratch. They copy sentences. What does that mean? It means their brains are full of ready-made sentences. If someone asks, "What do you want to do for Christmas?" they don't sit there thinking about the answer. They just say, "I want to travel to Austria with my girlfriend." So, let's start memorizing a few essential sentences. Once you know these, you'll be golden. How have you been? I've been great, thanks for asking. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. Where do you work? I work at a tech company. What's your goal in life? My goal is to travel the world. Could you do me a favor? Of course. What do you need? Can you help me? Sure. Where is the bathroom? Over there. These sentences are your survival kit. Whenever you're stuck, use one of these. It doesn't matter if your accent isn't perfect. The important thing is that you get the sentence out. The crazy repetition technique. Now, here's a question for you. Why do little kids learn languages so quickly? It's because they hear a sentence thousands of times and repeat it over and over. You need to do the same thing. Pick a simple sentence and repeat it like crazy. I've been studying all week. I've been studying all week. I've been studying all week. I've always wanted to learn English. I've always wanted to learn English. I've always wanted to learn English. I need to finish this project by tomorrow. I need to finish this project by tomorrow. I need to finish this project by tomorrow. Until your brain realizes this sentence belongs to you. The power of story listening. On our channel, we have tons of stories. Why do we always say, listen to stories? Because stories are the secret medicine for your brain. When you listen to stories, real, natural sentences get ingrained in your mind. Then, when you need them, they'll come out effortlessly. Example. In a story you hear, he woke up late. Now, in real life, you want to say you woke up late. What pops into your mind? I woke up late. See? That's the power of stories. Practice with yourself. The mirror game. If you don't have a partner, sit in front of a mirror. Ask yourself questions, then answer them. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy hiking and reading. What are your future plans? I plan to start my own business. At first, it might seem funny, but soon your brain will start realizing that speaking English is just a natural thing. Your fear will fade away. Let's build a mini conversation, practical practice. Now, let's build a real conversation together. Repeat every sentence I say out loud. Hi, how's it going? I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. What have you been up to lately? I've been working on a new project at work. That sounds interesting. What's the project about? It's about improving user experience on our website. That's impressive. What's your role in the project? I'm leading the team and coordinating with the design and development departments. Nice. How are things going so far? It's going well. We're on track to meet our deadlines. It must be challenging. How do you stay motivated? I keep myself motivated by setting small goals and celebrating each milestone we achieve. That's a great approach. Well, it was great catching up with you. Likewise, let's catch up again soon. You've just built a conversation. Now, practice until these sentences flow like breathing. The 3 golden sentences. Always have 3 golden sentences ready for every conversation. Start. How's your day going? Middle. What have you been working on lately? End. It was nice talking to you. Let's stay in touch. If you know these 3, you'll never run out of things to say. Learning how to speak English isn't hard. You just need to practice smartly. Memorize real sentences. Play with templates. Listen to stories. And repeat. Repeat, repeat. Now, here's a promise. Send this video to a friend who struggles with English. Maybe this will change their life too. And one more thing. Write in the comments right now, I'm ready to build sentences. We read all the comments. And don't forget, we have a special Telegram group just for you. There, you can find an English-speaking partner, ask questions from the admin, and see tons of educational content. The link to the group is in the description, so make sure to join. And don't forget to subscribe. Remember, every day, we upload new educational videos and stories to keep your learning journey fun and engaging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this adventure toward mastering English. See you tomorrow.